Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up under display fingerprint on your OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. So we're going to open the settings app, and here, as you guys can see, there's a lot of settings. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over step by step. So security and privacy. Now we're going to scroll down to device unlock, and in the device unlock we're going to face and fingerprint unlock. We're going to click on fingerprint, and here we need to enter our lock screen password. Now it will already prompt us to add one, so we're going to click on add fingerprint, and this is the area where we can add it. So we need to move our finger here, not just randomly put it like this, because it won't work perfectly. We need to put our finger and now swipe from every single edge, and it is pretty quick. It's faster than most of the phones. We're going to click done, and let's see if it works. It does work. So this is how you guys can easily set up the under display fingerprint. Basically now it will work all the time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.